Hi guys, I am here to show you another day in the life of a teacher who has their summers off and what it is that I do during all that time that I have in the summer. So this morning I am going to start my day by cleaning out this fridge. Your guess is as good as mine as to what kinds of science experiments we're going to find in there. So let's take a look. Okay, this fridge is a little overcrowded and not very well organized. So let's find the kinds of things that don't need to be in here. Like this old sauerkraut, that needs to go away. Hershey's bars, they're a stay. Let's see. We have an old heavy cream here. That needs to go away too. Don't know if you know how difficult it is to find heavy cream that is not ultra pasteurized, that is boiled to death, so it has that funny kind of cooked flavor to it, but heavy cream that is simply pasteurized. Anyway, out. Okay, so this is some nice orzo salad that's quite fresh. This is going to stay in the fridge. Some nice fresh grapes. They're staying in. Not sure why we have rice cakes in the fridge, okay? Who put the rice cakes in the fridge? Rice cakes, they don't belong in the fridge. These strawberries are definitely getting thrown out. Except in my case, since I have some hens out there that would be happy to partake on these little beauties, I should say little sort of beaten up beauties. Those are going to the chickens. Okay, so as you know, we do Blue Apron, so we have a lot of Blue Apron ingredients in here ready to go for a meal. They're kind of spread all over the place. If you've never done Blue Apron, we really do like them. We do them a few nights a week. They send us our meat, our veggies, a nice recipe to go with the meal that they're sending. In this case, we have some snow peas, and you always get a little bag of knickknacks. Your knickknacks include the spices and seasonings and sauces that you will need to put your meal together. So when I properly have this fridge cleaned out, I have all the Blue Apron stuff on this side. Right now it's spread out all over the place. Okay, not happy with any of this. This is crap. This is not good food, okay? Sorry, whoever makes these, but these are potato rolls, and I can tell you that the first ingredient is wheat flour, non-fat milk after that, potatoes, and then sugar. Fourth ingredient, sugar. No, not good. Out they go. It looks like we have a nice salad blend here, so we're going to keep that. This other stuff looks pretty okay. We can get into the side doors. Who knows what's in there? Okay, Heinz ketchup. Heinz ketchup has corn syrup in it. And not only that, in addition to corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, many calories, not needed. I actually found a ketchup, Annie's. Annie's has sort of further on down the ingredient list, so you know there's less of it, some cane sugar. That's it. So if I'm going to use ketchup, I'm going to use Annie's. Okay, now we get into the produce. This gets a little sketchy. Don't need these peppers, they're out. It's a beautiful leek, actually, so that leek is going to stay. But as we dig further into this drawer, we are finding bits and pieces of vegetables that are leaking onto the floor, some that have turned kind of moldy. Oh, here's a good science experiment. This one is a yellow onion. Yellow onions? They're not supposed to look like that. Okay, we'll go into the next drawer here. It's looking a little better, although I have to say, this orange, it looks like I used the zest a few times. We're done with this orange. All right. Same for the lemon. Out. Really? Who did this? Half a lemon dried up? Oh my gosh. This is really... I'm telling you, this doesn't even look like a lime anymore. Okay. Oh boy. This is arugula. I can tell you right now, it smells. I've never really smelled arugula, and because it's really not supposed to smell, because this has been sitting in there too long. It's literally rotting. So even the chickens won't eat that. So we're off to a good start here, getting rid of bad things. I will continue doing this the rest of the morning probably. So join me next time when we take a look in the freezer. Thanks for joining. Bye.